So I made a Google Doc explaining the four seasons and why I chose them as my theme. So to create it, I simply went to my file here and I would click another page, go to Docs, and then I was able to start typing and I explained the four seasons and so here's that information here. There's four seasons in 1 year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. And then I explained each of them here. So we have spring lasting from around March 20th to June 20th. Summer occurs around June 20th to September 22nd. In the summer, there's long sunny days, school's out. Fall, the temperatures are decreasing, and it's occurring around September 22nd to December 21st. And then winter is the coldest season. It can begin to snow. It's Christmas time. So why did I pick the four seasons? I chose to use the four seasons as my theme because it is something that I really enjoy that we have here in Indiana. I think being able to experience the four types of climate is really cool and not something that everyone gets to have. With this being said, I thought it would be interesting to share about it with others and learn even more about the seasons myself. So I then created this document and I went up here and clicked share and I typed in the person I shared it with, I typed in their email so that they were able to also edit it. I went back and noticed that she made some edits and some comments. So she told me after explaining each season, ask or give your students a fun activity they could do. So like in the fall, you carve pumpkins. And then she also left a note to next time maybe give them a range of temperatures so that they're kind of aware of what the temperatures are number-wise. And then she also left, yes, I think it is good that you can explain it firsthand. So she left some notes so that now I'm able to go back in and I can make more edits if I were to change something.